Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to fix an error in the Microsoft Store. Go to Start, type Services, open it, find Microsoft Store Install Service, right-click, click Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click the Stop button. Then close it, go back in and click the Start button. There. Next. If that doesn't help, go to Start, Settings, Apps, select Installed Apps, and scroll down. Here are the system components. It'll load now. Scroll to the very bottom. There, and select System Components here. Go in. Here, select Microsoft Store. Click the three dots, Advanced Settings, scroll down and click Reset. There, and then the settings will reset. There. Or if that doesn't work, click Reset at the bottom. There. After these two steps, restart your computer and try using the app. That's all. This was bye everyone.